Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English Literature workbook our lesson 5, The Blue Umbrella. Today I will explain you exercises of this lesson. Student, this is your English Literature workbook. This is lesson 5, The Blue Umbrella of English workbook. Today, first of all, we have to understand exercise A. Write the meanings of the given words. The first word is dingy and its meaning is a small boat that you sail. Second word is pajama and its meaning is loose trousers. Third word is chutney and its meaning is a thick sweet sauce that is made from fruit or vegetables. Fourth word is chit and its meaning is a short written note on a small piece of paper or a small document. A short written note on a small piece of paper or a small document. Fifth word is bungalow and its meaning is a house that is all on one level without stairs. A house that is all on one level without stairs. Sixth word is cashmere and its meaning is a type of wool that is very fine and soft. Now we have to understand this exercise A. Write reflexive pronouns for the given personal pronouns. The first is I and its reflexive pronoun is myself. Second is you and its reflexive pronoun is yourself. Third is he and its reflexive pronoun is himself. Fourth is she and its reflexive pronoun is herself. Fifth is they and its reflexive pronoun is themselves. Sixth is it and its reflexive pronoun is itself. Seventh is we and its reflexive pronoun is ourselves. Eighth is you and its reflexive pronoun is yourselves. I and its reflexive pronoun is myself. You and its reflexive pronoun is yourself. He and its reflexive pronoun is himself. She and its reflexive pronoun is herself. They and its reflexive pronoun is themselves. It and its reflexive pronoun is itself. We and its reflexive pronoun is ourselves. You and its reflexive pronoun is yourselves.